watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to a nature and urban living converge seamlessly. In this spring Loft Decor journey, we'll explore how vibrant greenery can transform your space into a lush oasis of tranquility and style. From cascading botanicals to whimsical miniature landscapes, refresh your loft with the rejuvenating energy of spring. Architectural plant shelves. When you incorporate plant-filled architectural shelves into the design of your loft, you can maximize both space and flair. Display your assortment of greenery while including a dash of sleek modern design. Vintage bird cages. A charming arrangement of flowers and foliage placed within vintage bird cages can provide a romantic touch to your loft. Take creative liberties and create a whimsical botanical display. Reflecting nature. Use a sleek wooden shelf with a eucalyptus vase and a round mirror to create a beautiful display. Reflect the calm beauty of the natural world while giving your area more depth and serenity. Modern aesthetics can be embraced with minimalist wall-mounted planters that have vivid green foliage set against simple, light-colored wood tones. Achieve beauty and simplicity in your loft decor. Enchanted mirrors. Adorn regular mirrors with natural element wreaths to turn them into entrances to the world of nature. With this alluring decor option, you can take yourself to lush, magical forests. Rustic hanging shelf. Made from a solid piece of tree trunk, this rustic hanging shelf will add a touch of woodland character to your loft. Bring in nature's own design while showcasing plants and mementos. Succulent symphony. Decorate your door with a wreath made of succulents that are tucked into clay pots as a living artwork. Discover the colors and textures of these resilient plants, which will bring a bit of the outdoors into your foyer. Victorian greenery. Create a vertical garden surrounded by Baroque-style embellishments to pay homage to the grace of the past. For a focal point in your loft, combine classic style with modern foliage. Tiny worlds. Create wonder and excitement with small-scale environments, such as a tiny wooden treehouse perched on a jade plant. Allow your creativity to go wild as you find the whimsical accents in your loft design. A storied planter. A figure planter full of vivid flora can be used to honor cultural diversity and narrative. This quirky decor piece will spark conversations and give your area a distinctive character. Cascading botanicals. Make a botanical wonderland by suspending plants from the tall ceiling of your loft. Combine natural beauty with industrial style to create a room that is both current and classic. Nature-inspired wreaths. Use colorful moss and twisted branches to create wreaths that adorn your walls. Achieve the ideal harmony between elegance and the raw beauty of the natural world. Antique scales and enamelware pitchers are two examples of vintage kitchenware that can provide a nostalgic touch to your loft. With these classic design items, you can capture the rustic beauty of farmhouse living. Industrial charm. Use glass tubes placed in metal supports that display colorful flowers to embrace the industrial loft aesthetic. Combine nature and industry to create a decor option that is all your own. Illuminated botanicals. Add a dramatic arrangement of glass vases and light bulbs, tastefully entwined with foliage to spruce up your loft. Discover the trance of life and light in your city haven. Transforming your loft into a spring oasis has never been more inspiring. With these decor ideas, you can elevate your space with the lush greenery of an indoor oasis. Embrace nature's beauty and create a sanctuary that rejuvenates both